Imagine standing in the bustling courts of the temple in Jerusalem. Crowds press in, filled with curiosity, hope, and a little tension. Jesus is teaching his words, stirring hearts, challenging traditions. Then, stepping forward, the chief priests, scribes, and elders, religious leaders, determined to trip him up. They demand, "By what authority do you do these things? Who gave you this right?" But Jesus, calm and wise, turns the tables. "I'll ask you a question," he says. "Answer me, and I'll tell you my authority. John's baptism, was it from heaven or from men?" Now the leaders are cornered. If they say, "From heaven," Jesus will ask, "Then why didn't you believe him?" But if they say, "From men," they fear the crowds, who all believe John was a prophet. So trapped by their own games, they say, "We don't know." Jesus replies, "Then neither will I tell you by what authority I do these things." But the challenges don't stop. Now the Sadducees approach, known for denying the resurrection. They spin a complicated question. If a woman marries a man, but they have no children, so she marries his brother, and after he dies, she marries the next brother until she has been the wife of all 7 brothers, one after another, and they all die childless. Whose wife will she be in the resurrection? Jesus looks at them and says, "Isn't this why you're mistaken? You don't know the scriptures or the power of God?" He explains, "When the dead rise, they won't marry or be given in marriage. They'll be like the angels in heaven." Once again, the leaders are left speechless. The people marvel. No scheme, no clever question can outsmart the wisdom of Jesus. Through it all, his words shine with truth and authority, revealing the heart of God to anyone willing to listen. Praise be to God.